turning our attention to the real superheroes of the international arena. International organizations. These are the multilateral marvels, the cooperative crusaders, the teams of diplomats, experts, and peacekeepers who unite nations to tackle the world's toughest challenges. Think of them as the Avengers of global governance, each with their own unique superpowers and a shared mission to save the world, or at least make it a better place. Let's assemble and explore their powers. International organizations, the who is who. IOs are like exclusive clubs for countries. They are formed by states who agree to pool their resources and expertise to tackle issues that go beyond national borders. Some IOs are global, like the all-star team known as the United Nations, while others are regional, like the European Union or the African Union. Some focus on specific challenges like the World Trade Organization regulating global trade or the World Health Organization leading the fight against pandemics. The UN, Earth's mightiest heroes. The UN is the undisputed leader of the IOPAC. Founded after the World War II, its mission is to prevent another global conflict and promote international cooperation. It's like the Captain America of global governance, a symbol of hope and a champion of peace. The UN's superpowers include peacekeeping, sending in the UN peacekeepers to conflict zones to protect civilians and maintain peace. Humanitarian aid, provide food, shelter, and medical care to those in need after disasters or conflicts. Development, helping countries achieve their economic and social goals. Human rights, promoting and protecting the fundamental rights of all people. Other key players in the IO League, the International Monetary Fund, the financial wizard, helping countries managing their economies and providing loans to those in crisis. The World Bank, the development guru financing projects that improve infrastructure, education, and health in developing countries. The World Trade Organization, the trade referee, setting the rules for global trade and resolving disputes between countries. The World Health Organization, the disease detective, tracking outbreaks, coordinating responses, and promoting global health. How do IOs get things done? IOs have a whole arsenal of tools at their disposal. Diplomacy, bringing countries together for talks, negotiations, and summits. Standard setting, establishing international laws, treaties, and norms. Technical assistance, providing expert advice and training to governments. Financial support, offering loans, grants, and other financial resources. Peacekeeping operations, deploying troops to maintain peace and security. Challenges and critiques, are IOs all they are cracked up to be? Like any superhero team, IOs have their fair share of challenges and critics. They are often accused of being slow, bureaucratic, and dominated by powerful countries. Some argue that they are not accountable enough to the people they're supposed to serve. And let's face it, they don't always succeed in their missions. The future of IOs, adapting to a changing world. Despite these challenges, IOs remain essential players in global governance. They are the only institutions we have that can bring countries together to tackle problems that no single nation can solve alone. But to remain relevant in the 21st century, IOs need to adapt. They need to become more agile, inclusive, and responsive to the needs of the people they serve. Conclusion: international organizations are the unsung heroes of global governance. They may not always get the recognition they deserve, but their work is essential for a more peaceful, prosperous, and a just world. So, the next time you hear about the UN, the WTO, or any other IO, remember that they are not just a bunch of acronyms. They are the teams of dedicated individuals working tirelessly to make our world a better place.